Printful integrates seamlessly with TikTok Shop for print on demand, POD, selling custom merch, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, without inventory. Available in the US, UK, and select countries. Requires 18 plus age and TikTok Shop approval, 1 to 5 days. Orders auto-fulfill with 2 to 5 day shipping. 1. Set up TikTok Shop. Switch to business account. TikTok app, profile, menu, settings, account. Switch to business. Apply. Visit sellerus.tiktok.com. Sign up. Log in. Choose individual or business seller. Verify. Upload ID. Proof of address. Business docs. EIN for USA. And bank details. 2. Create Printful account. Sign up free at printful.com. Dashboard. Verify with ID if prompted. 3. Connect Printful to TikTok Shop. In Printful, Stores, Add Store, select TikTok Shop, authorize, log into TikTok Seller Center, set Warehouse, TikTok Seller Center, account settings, Warehouse, use Printful's US, UK addresses, shipping by seller. 4. Design and list products. Printful catalog, pick item, e.g. Bella Puck's Canvas Tee, upload design and mockups, set price, publish, syncs to TikTok Shop, customize listings, titles, images. 5. Promote and fulfill, post videos or lives tagging products, orders route to Printful, auto print, jot as ship, 3-day fulfillment compliant, track in Printful dashboard, payouts weekly.